Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we are learning a curve interference example. This is a single steel engineer building designed by mad architects. Let's say there is a white part in the building facade. If we draw curved lines around the white part, like this, if I zoom it in, you can see the window openings close to the white part, the curves is smaller openings, right? And the further window openings, they are bigger. You can see it? Cool. Let's have a look at the other building images. Okay, let's see how to do it now. You can download the files from our website and you need to drag it in. Cool. Before I show you how to do it in Grasshopper, let's see how to do it in Rhino. Select the hexagon and number of sides is 6. Then we need to input the side length is 1. Cool. Find the point and then we draw it. It's 1 side length. Cool. And we need to array it. You can see in Grasshopper this battery, X direction is 20, Y direction is 20, and the size of it is 1. So we input 1 before. Okay, let me use array. X direction now is 1, Y direction is 20, Z direction is 1, and then 2 points to determine a direction. And press enter to confirm your comment. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, copy and paste. And then we input move comment. Okay, and then we select all of them, and we use array comment again. Now we input X direction is 10, Y direction is 1, Z direction is 1, and then we select the starting point. Confirm it. Cool. Now we made the same result to the Grasshopper. X direction is 20 hexagons, Y direction is 20 hexagons too. So they are the same one. Cool. And now we need to draw a curve. Let's see, I need to draw a curve. And I can copy paste it to there. If I set this curve on the battery, you can see the window opening. If it is close to the curve, they are smaller, and the further window openings, they are bigger. If I select this button, it only shows the selected part in Grasshopper. See it? If I turn it off, it will show you the whole battery change result. So that's why I unselect it. Let's see how to do the scaling change in Rhino first. We need to find the distance from the hexagon to the curve, because the closer distance will be smaller openings and the further distance will be larger openings. We need to find the central point of this hexagon and select the endpoint. We can try this one first. We need to set the perpendicular foot, and then this one. Select the endpoint, and we need to find the distance. It's 6.86 millimeters. And if we see the Grasshopper, we can scale it. This one is scale battery, so we can scale it in Rhino too. If we times 0.1, and let's see how to do it. Scale 2D times 0.1 it will be 0.68. 0.68. Cool. And then let's see the distance of this one. It's 3.312. Okay, and if we times 0.1, it will be 0.33. Okay. Let's do the scale to the again. 0.33. And you can see the hexagon, this one is smaller and this one is larger. And we can do the same thing to the other hexagons. But if we do it in Rhino, it will be very troublesome. Let's see how to do it in Grasshopper. Like this one. And we can do a new one. Go to the vector, the grays, find this one, hexagon. And the hexagon side length is 1. X direction is 20. Y direction is 20. Cool. Then we make the same one. And then the next step is we need to slide the curve on the battery. So we check a curve battery and slide this curve on. And then we need to find the distance from the hexagon to the curve. Go to the curve battery options, find curve closest point. Connect them together, points to point, curve to curve. And then we can know the distance from the hexagon to the curve. You can see that they are 15, 15, 16, and there are many numbers already. And now we need to use this distance to skew the hexagons. But we can't use these numbers. A lot of them are larger than 1, but our hexagon set length is only 1, so we can't use it. Then we can times 0.1 or divide by 20 something, depends on you. So I just go to the mice and select the times battery, distance, connect them together, maybe times 0.1. And let's see the results. They are still larger than 1, you can see. We need to make sure all of them are under than 1. So, we can drag them 3 digits now and drag it to a smaller number. Let me check the panel again. Okay, they are all smaller than 1 now. Go to the transform options here and find the skew. Geometry X our hexagons, and the center is the points. Now the scaling parameter is 0.5. You can see one locally defined value is 0.5. But now we are using this one, using the distance to be our factor. And you can see the hexagon close to the curve is smaller and further hexagons are bigger. If you want to create a surface for the opening, you can use surface and boundary surface, connect them together. And then you make the opening surface and we can bake them out. In this tutorial, we learn how to use curve interference to make a building facade. Okay guys, do it by yourselves and then we continue the next tutorial. See you!